Very good afternoon, children. Myself, L.K. Tripathi, your SST teacher from LPM Public School. Dear students, today we have to discuss about the rocks and minerals. What are rocks and minerals? We shall discuss about that. So, let's begin the topic from the new video. The Earth's crust comprises numerous types of rocks and minerals. जो हमारा अर्थ है, मतलब अर्थ का जो क्रस्ट है, अपर लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ, ये बहुत सारे रॉक्स और मिनरल्स से बना हुआ है. रॉक्स और नेचुरल masses of minerals found on the crust of the earth. They consist of one or more minerals and include the hard as well as compact rock such as granite, diamond, and loose particles like clay, mud, sand, etc. Rocks may have different colors, sizes, and texture. A mineral is an inorganic substance that contains one or more elements having a specific physical and chemical properties. The study of minerals is known as mineralogy. मिनरल की स्टडी को हम साइंस की भाषा में मिनरोलॉजी बोलते हैं. क्वार्ट्ज, फेल्डपार, mica, etc. are some of the common rock forming minerals. Rocks containing a particular metallic mineral in large quantities are called ores. Bauxite, for instance, is an ore of aluminium. Similarly, hematite is an ore of iron. Classification of rocks based on the formation, appearance, and the type of minerals constituting them. Rock have been categorized into three major groups, that is igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Rocks categorized under each group exhibit differences in color, hardness, and density. What is igneous rock? The term igneous is derived from the Latin word ignis, which means fire. It signifies rocks formed by the cooling and solidification of hot lava and magma beneath the Earth's interior. These rocks are still taking new forms due to volcanic activity. Since they were the first to be formed, they are also referred to as primary rocks. The lithosphere originally comprised primary or igneous rocks. Due to certain internal and external processes, these rocks underwent changes, and many of these were transformed into what are called sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. On the basis of origin, igneous rocks may be classified as follows. Number first, lava is the molten material which reaches the Earth's surface through volcanic vents or fissures. It forms extrusive or volcanic rocks by cooling and solidifying. When the lava gets exposed to the air, it cools rapidly and fine grained crystalline rocks come into existence. Some examples of these rocks are basalt, pumice, etc. Occasionally, the molten material or magma may cool and solidify below the Earth's surface. To form intrusive or plutonic rocks. As the molten material within the Earth's core always, large crystals or coarse grained crystalline rocks are formed, that is, granite, dolerite, etc. Igneous rocks are generally crystalline in structure as well as hard and compact. They stop water from percolating through them. Moreover, these are not formed in layers and hardly contain the remains of plants and animals, that is, fossils within. Sedimentary rocks. Rock fragments are carried by running water, wind, and moving ice, and are deposited in depressions underwater. Over a period of time, these deposited materials or sediments are continuously accumulated in layers, get compressed and hardened with the aid of cementing materials such as lime to form sedimentary rocks. Therefore, they belong to the secondary group of rocks. These rocks often consist of layers having varying compositions. In Latin, the term sedentum means setting down. Based on their formation. Sedimentary rocks are generally classified into three types. What are they? We shall discuss it point wise. First of all, the largest of the sediment particles, such as sand and pebbles, get deposited. Initially, while the finer sediments, such as clay and shale, get deposited later. In this way, we have discussed about different types of rocks. This part of the rocks we shall discuss later on. Till then, let's try to understand about the different types of basalt, pumice, that is extensive rocks, sandstone, shale, granite, dolerite, conglomerate, mudstone. Figure 2.4 shows the intrusive rocks. Figure 2.5 shows sedimentary rocks. So these are different types of rocks available on the earth surface. Rest we shall discuss in the next video tomorrow. Till then, thank you.